Hey, are you a manager or team leader with older staff in your team and wonder if they respect you? Well, start with connection and maybe a little charm. Have you ever felt like trying to earn respect from older or more experienced team members is like convincing your grandparents that Wi-Fi isn't some sort of dark magic? Frustrating, right? But here's the truth. Respect isn't something you demand, it's something you cultivate, like a thriving office plant, only with less water and more listening. Now, here's my disclaimer about this video. Yes, I am from an older generation, you can see, and I've heard the cries of my peers. Sometimes these things do annoy me as well, but it's not just about what makes life easier for me. This will make your life go better as well. 3 steps. Step 1. Speak their language. No, not just by email or text. Every generation has its own way of communicating. Think of it like music tastes. Some people love classic rock, others are all about lo-fi beats, and then there are those who still insist that vinyl sounds better. The same goes for workplace conversations. You're different from your parents, and you're different from your kids, if you have any, and chances are you're different from your younger colleagues too. If they're 19 and you're 29, guess what? They probably see you as an ancient sage. You may not feel that way, but trust me, they do. Older generations, they've learned different communication styles, developed different values, and seen life through a different lens. The key to connecting with them is curiosity and a willingness to meet them where they are. Step 2, listen like you mean it. You want to fast track your way into somebody's professional good books? Try this. Put the phone down. No, seriously. Close the laptop, make eye contact, show that you're actually listening. Nodding works wonders, and occasional I see what you're saying makes you look engaged, even if you're pretending. 2, reflect. So don't just absorb. Instead of defaulting to got it, try, so what I'm hearing is that you think this approach might work better based on your experience. Is that right? Boom. Instant credibility. And 3, acknowledge their expertise, aka give credit where it's due. Nothing melts workplace tensions like your experience in this area is invaluable, or I'd love to hear more about how you handled this in the past. It's like catnip for professional relationships. And step 3, watch the magic happen. Listening and acknowledgement aren't just skills, they're leadership superpowers. When your team feels heard, respected and valued, guess what? Respect boomerangs right back to you. So next time you're chatting with an experienced colleague, remember, ditch the defensive stance, bring the curiosity and flex those listening muscles. Oh, and maybe throw in I'd love to hear about how you navigated this back in the day. Who knows? You might just walk away with some wisdom and a whole lot more respect.